GST law provides that the importers are required to pay IGST on ocean freight charges under reverse charge mechanism. However, in case of import of goods on CIF basis, freight amount in the Indian port is borne by the supplier of goods who is located outside India. Whether IGST is payable on freight amount in such cases? Hi, I Surbhi welcome you all to our channel where we will discuss landmark judgment on GST. In this case, petitioner is engaged in the manufacture and supply of automobile parts and is registered under GST. They have imported some goods under CIF basis. Now you should note that CIF means cost, insurance and freight. Under CIF basis, insurance and freight charges is included in the price of goods. Therefore, supplier is responsible for the freight and the insurance charges on the goods till the goods are reached to the Indian ports. In the audit findings of the petitioner which was conducted by the department, it was pointed out that there is a short payment of IGST on the import of goods on ocean freight charges by the petitioner. The petitioner submitted a reply that in the case of Union of India versus Mohit Minerals Private Limited, Supreme Court held that IGST is not payable on ocean freight charges under reverse charge mechanism on the contract of CIF, that is cost, insurance and freight. Department issued a show cause notice to the petitioner for the recovery of IGST on ocean freight. It was stated in the notice that when there is a transportation of goods by the vessel outside India up to the Indian port where both the service provider and the recipient are outside India, the liability to pay IGST under reverse charge would be on the person who files the import manifest. Therefore, the petitioner was called upon to pay IGST on ocean freight. Aggrieved by this, petitioner filed this petition. High Court decided this case in the favor of petitioner. It stated that the Indian importers are liable to pay IGST on composite supply comprising of supply of goods and supply of services of transportation, insurance, etc. on a CIF contract. A separate levy on Indian importer for ocean freight would be a violation of Section 8 of CGST Act. Therefore, no IGST will be payable by the petitioner on the ocean freight in this case. Thank you for watching this video. For more such updates, follow Logitimes.